7. Convert the following to millimetres. Okay, we've got kilometres. Kilometres to millimetres. This is a big conversion because we're going from a largest unit to the smallest unit. Okay, so we need to go through 1, 2, 3 steps. Larger unit to a smaller unit, what do we do, guys? Multiply. But we need to multiply by 1,000 and 1,000 again. So we need to multiply by 2 lots of thousands. I'm just going to count this as 1,000, not 110, because you guys are used to that. So how many zeros do we have after the 3? 6. So 3 million millimetres. But let's put it in scientific notation because I don't like having so many zeros. It's going to be 3 times 10 to the power of 6 because there's 6 zeros after the 3. Okay, again, kilometres to millimetres, do the same thing, multiply by 1,000 2 times, which means you have to move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, which means you're going to get 2 extra zeros after the 1. And in scientific notation, I want to put the decimal after the 4, so it's going to be 4.1 times 10 cubed, because it's 1, 2, 3 times I need to go further to the right. Okay, again, same thing, times by 1,000 2 times, because it's kilometres to millimetres, exactly same thing as A and B, which means you're going to get a lot of zeros. But we want to put the decimal in front of the first number all the time. So if I put the decimal there, we need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So in your scientific notation, it will be 3.4 times 10 to the power of 8. Convert to kilometres, okay? Millimetres to kilometres, this time we're going from the smallest unit to the largest unit. But the key thing here is to divide, because we're going from small to large. Remember when we did from kilometres to millimetres, we multiplied by 1,000 2 times? Millimetres to kilometres, divide by 1,000 2 times, just like that. We're going to have some decimal number because we're going to go backwards 6 times. So you can do that on your own, but we want to put it to one significant figure. 2, we start from the first non-zero, which becomes 0.03. Okay, make sure you're rounding properly. Divide by 1,000 2 times. Watch out for the number of decimal places you put. In one significant figure, we stop at 3. 1 is less than 5, so we just leave it as 0.03. We don't round up. Millimetres to kilometres again, divide by 1,000 2 times. And then make sure you move to the left the decimal 6 times. Watch out for the number of zeros you have. That's what I have. It's a really big number with a lot of zeros. One significant figure, I stop at 5, and you can see the next number is 5. So I must round this previous number up to 6. Okay?